So I come home and I put my stuff down and I see that there is a pile of dirt. So I wonder who's been trying to plant stuff. Doc, what is this? Come here. What is that? Doc, what is that? Come here. Oh my God.